Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. And I want to share with you guys a little bit about what I mean when I say the bulls are ready. And this is relating to Shiba INU. There's a lot of data backing this claim up. I want to share with you guys in this video, so you're going to want to stick around. Do not miss this, especially if you're into SHIB. If you own SHIB, hold SHIB, or you just want to know more, this one's going to be for you. And guys, please, if you do own SHIB, let me know down below by smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Not Your Father's Capital. It is the best thing you can do today to stay up to date with crypto news and information. So let's get into it, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice, so always do your own homework and due diligence within crypto and financial. And what I want to share with you guys, as SHIB looks as they're facing a little bit of a correction right here on the charts, but we've had a pretty good bullish run. Now, we've given up a lot of those gains, and now a lot of things have to deal with crypto and Bitcoin, for that matter, brushing over 35K. And basically, we've seen a little bit of mixed bag in terms of the outlook for Shiba INU. But right now, we see the trading volume down, okay? Now, a lot of that has to do with a little bit of market share dominance. When we look at that factor across the board for a lot of the meme coins out there, but a lot of people have gotten into Bitcoin. A lot of institutional players have gotten back into Bitcoin. Now, what we've seen is a lot of on-chain data showing early reports of 841% of outflows throughout the week. Now, this is basically going to be kind of in contrary to this topic, because you're going to ask yourself, how are we bullish about Shiba Inu if we've had 841% of outflows? Well, this is what we're going to see. In terms of meme coins, meme tokens, if you will, they've had some of the most substantiated volatility end over end that we've always had. Okay, they always move faster and harder, and they die faster and harder as well in comparison to some of the more blue chips, right? Your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, that are more so of a stable crypto, if you will. Okay, now this is what we're seeing basically as this volatility is completely natural, and how the on-chain data can generally be an amplification of what we're seeing with the market's intentions, okay? And this is kind of what we're talking about for the bull case for Shiba Inu moving forward. Now, we've seen basically a bullish reversal due to the fact of solely because it has been over amplified with these outflows, more so than what the market is intending. Okay, so naturally we're going to see a correction upon that, and that's kind of where I'm kind of leaning towards when I look at Shiba Inu, because this has been too much of a correction, right? For the state of the market in this current in all the factors considered in this very moment in time. Okay, so when we get out of this and we look into what Shiba Inu actually brings to the table, this is where we're seeing is how it's going to correlate most likely with Bitcoin. Okay, and that's kind of what we're seeing within this correlation, and that can cause Shiba Inu to have a very positive or negative effect across the board. Okay, and that's something where you're going to see this correlation maybe kind of taking a back seat right here, as really we're just kind of trading sideways and consolidating in this moment of time. But right now, there's a lot of triggers that can set Shiba Inu apart from this Bitcoin correlation. So right here, this is what it comes down to. And, you know, there is something where you look into the future in terms of this correction that we're seeing with Shiba Inu. It just basically is not substantiated with anything that SHIB's doing, okay? It's just kind of an over-amplification of the market and of Bitcoin's rise in the recent days and weeks. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know down below in the comments, do you think I'm right? Do you think Shiba Inu is a very bullish crypto due to the fact that it is not a substantiated market correction when you compare the whole market as a whole? So interested to hear your guys' comments as well. Subscribe on your way out, smash that like button, all that good stuff, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.